Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time. The lessons we're going to cover today are time patterns, Vita calendar, match analog and digital clocks, then AM or PM. Then we'll start the new chapter that is money, and the lessons are add and subtract money amounts, add money amounts, word problems. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so here I'm on grade 3 maths. We're going to start with the chapter time. Let's just start with the chapter. And here is the lesson we're going to start with time patterns. So let's just start with the lesson. So fill in the missing time. You can see it is 4:30, 4, 3:30, then you have missing time, then you have 2:30. Got it? So you have to look for a pattern. You can see each time that is earlier than each time is 30 minutes earlier than the time before it. You can see the first one is 4:30, then it would be 30 minutes earlier. It's 4. Then again 30 minutes earlier. So 30 minutes earlier than 3:30 is 3. That means the missing time is 3. Yes, hi everyone. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. So fill in the missing time. 7, 5:30, 4, then you have the missing time, and then you have 1. So first of all, you have to look for the pattern. Here you have 7 and it is 5:30. Got it? That means you can go back 1 hour 30 minute. Got it? Hold on. 7 minus 5:30. It would be, yes, you can go back 1. You can go back 1 hour 30 minutes. Got it? So when you go back 1 hour 30 minutes from 7, it would be 5:30. Again 1 hour 30 minutes, it would be 4. Now when you go back 1 hour 30 minutes from 4, it would be 1 hour would be 3 and 30 minutes would be 2:30. That means it would be 2:30. Got it? Every time you can go back by 1 hour 30 minutes. Got it? So it would be 2:30. Okay, the next one is fill in the missing time. So which is the correct option? What's wrong with you, Kayla? If you have any question, please ask question. Okay, so it would be 4, 5, 6, and 7. That means each next time it is 1 hour more than the previous one. So which is the next one? 4, 5, 6, 1, 7. So the next number in the pattern would be 8. So the correct option is 8. Okay, fill in the missing pattern. So which is the correct option? It would be 2, 2:30. Like each time is 30 minutes more than the previous one. So which is the one? 2, 2:30, and you add 30 minutes to 2:30. So which is the next one? Each next one is 30 minutes more than the previous one. Got it? So when you add 30 minutes to 2:30, so it would be, yes, very good. That would be 3. So the correct option is 3. Okay, then you have 12, the missing one, 10, 9, 8. So you go back 1 hours each time. So which is the next one after 12? You go back 1 hour each time. So after 12, 1 hour back to 12 is 11. So the missing is 11, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Got it? Very good. That would be 11. So which is the next one? Fill in the missing time. 1, 11:30, the missing one, 8:37. So which is the correct option? Should we? You have to go back by 1:30, 1 hour 30 minutes each time. Got it? So when you go back from 11, it would be, you have to go back 1 hour and 30 minutes. When you go back from 11:30, when you go back 1 hour, it would be 10:30, and 30 minutes go back, it would be 10. The correct option is 10. Every time you go back 1 hour 30 minutes, so it would be 10, not 9. Got it? Okay, which is the correct option? 10, the missing one, then 2, 4, 6. So which is the correct option? Every time you go back by 2 hours, go forward by 2 hours. So which is the correct option? When you are at 10, 2 hours would be, which is the correct option? When you are at 10, 2 hours would be 12. It would be 10, 12, 2, 4, and 6. You move forward by 2 hours. Got it? Every time. Okay, which is the correct option? 11, 9, the missing one, 5, and 3. So which is the correct option? It would be 7. Yes, every time you go back by 2 hours. Very good. That would be 7. Okay, which is the correct option? 1, the missing one, 5, 7, 9. Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Every time you move forward by 2 hours. So which is the correct option? It would be 3. Got it? You have to move by 2 hours. So it would be 11. When you start by 11, move 2 hours, it would be 3. Very good. fill in the missing number. So which is the correct option? You have to move forward by how many hours? Again, you have to move forward by 2 hours. So the next one would be 5. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson would be you are all siblings. I think you are three. Read a calendar. You are three siblings. Let's just start with reading the calendar. If today is November 5, what day of the week it is? Today is November 5th. Here is the month, calendar of the month November. Here is 5th November. Got it? This one. You have to see what day is it. So just look at the top, the first row. You can see it would be Tuesday. Got it? That means on November 5th it would be Tuesday. Let's just start with the test question. So who is in grade 3? Today is April 23. What day of the week was yesterday? So today is April 23. Move to April 23. Here it is. That means today is Friday. Which day is yesterday? Yesterday is the day that is before today. Got it? So it would be, if today is Friday, that means yesterday was Thursday. Got it? So it would be Thursday. Got it? Okay, on what day of the week does the month begin? Type the full day of or full name of the day. Okay, the day begin means the first of the month. Got it? So first of the November would be on which day? You have to just look at the day. Which day is it on November 1st? Yes, it would be Friday on November 1st. You can see here it is 1st November and the day would be Friday. So it would be Friday. Okay, today is March 23. What day of the week was the day before yesterday? Okay, so today is March 23. Here is 23rd March. Got it? You have to see what day of the week was day before yesterday. So which is the correct option? Today is Saturday. Yesterday was Friday. And before yesterday, which day is before Friday? No, 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 no. Just understand the question. What day of the week was the day before yesterday? So if it's Saturday today, 23rd March is Saturday. That means today is Saturday. Yesterday was Friday. And the day before yesterday is Thursday. Got it? It would, no, 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 not Friday, Thursday. You have to see the day before yesterday. So today is Friday. Yesterday was, today is Saturday. Yesterday was Friday. And before Friday, it would be Thursday. You have to look for the day before yesterday. That would be Thursday. Just understand the question. On what day of the week is the 19th day of the month? Okay, type the full name of the, so 19th would be, which is the day on 19th January? It would be, here is 19th January, 19th of the month, and it would be on Friday. So the correct option is Friday. Got it? Next one is, what month does the calendar show? So the calendar is about which month? It would be, which month is it is? Be quick. It is February. You can see here is the month written. Got it? On the first line, it would be the month. That would be the calendar of the month February. Got it? Okay, the next one is how many days are there in June? So which is the correct option? Days, 31 days. That means June has, you can see June starts from 1 and the last day would be 30. So June has 30 days. Got it? Okay. How many Sundays are there in May? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? How many Sundays are there in May? You can find here you have the Sunday column. Got it? Yes, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 Sundays. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Got it? Okay, the next one would be matching analog and digital clocks. Okay, so this would be in the earlier lessons. Let's just go back to the next lesson. That would be AM or PM. Okay, so here is the AM PM concept. From 12 midnight to 12 noon, you have to mention all the time with AM. Got it? Like from midnight 12 to 12 noon, you have to mention all time with AM. And from 12 noon to midnight 12, you have to mention all the time with the PM. Got it? So let's just look at the question. It is time for an afternoon nap. What time it is? Afternoon means past 12 it is. Got it? So it would be PM because after 12 it would be PM. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay. Warren's mom is reading before work one morning. What time is it? It is morning. Morning means before noon. So before noon it would be PM or AM. Before noon it would be AM and afternoon it would be PM. So she's reading the book in the morning. It would be 5:30 AM, not PM. Just listen to the question, understand the question and then answer. It is the time for an afternoon nap. What time is it? So which is the correct option? Noon means at 12 and afternoon means it would be after the noon. So it would be it would be afternoon. So the time is 2 p.m. Got it? Very good. After the afternoon is PM. Okay, Tara is taking an afternoon nap. What time it is it? Which is the correct option? So she is taking an afternoon nap. It would be 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. Which is the correct option? It would be very good. That would be PM. Afternoon would be PM. Cody is getting out of bed in the morning. What time is it? So which is the correct option? Morning it would be. Morning it would be 6 a.m. Got it? Can you guys please stop talking? Wondra is riding her bike in the evening. What time is it? Please focus on the lesson we're working on. Stop talking, everyone. So he's riding the bike in the evening. What time is it? It would be 6:30 p.m. Got it? Afternoon it is. Sorry, it would be evening. Evening is p.m. Very good. Simon is watering the plants one morning. What time is it? So morning it is. So which is the correct option? It would be 9:30 a.m. because it's morning. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest by yourself later today. So we are done with the chapter time. Now we're going to start a new chapter that is money. So you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. And if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just start with the next lesson that is money. Okay, here I am on the next. Okay, add and subtract money amounts. So that is very easy. Like we add the numbers, same way you are adding or subtracting the money. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions like you simple add or subtract numbers. You guys are in grade 3 and you know how to subtract them. Let's just start with the first one. That is 3 743 minus 324. 743 minus 324. Okay, let's just start with the rightmost number. You cannot subtract 3 out of 4. Got it? Because 3 is smaller than 4. You cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So you have to borrow 1. You borrow 1 from here, it makes 13 here. And here you are left with 3. Got it? So 13 take away 4 is 13 take away 4 is 9. Got it? Then you have to do 3 take away 2, that would be 1. And 7 take away 3, that would be 4. So it is 490. Got it? That means $743 minus 324. That would be 419. Got it? The next one is 670. The next one is 670 minus 185. You guys are here to learn. Stop talking, everyone. Just focus on the topic we are working on. 670 minus 185. Okay, you have to start from the rightmost digit. You have to do 0 minus 5. You cannot subtract 0 out of 5 because 0 is smaller. You cannot subtract a greater number out of the smaller one. So you have to make it greater. So you have to borrow 1. It would be then 6 here and it makes 10 here. Got it? 10 minus 5 would be 5. Now again you have to same thing here. 6 is smaller than 8. You have to borrow 1 from the previous number. Here you have 5 and here you have 16. So 16 take away 8 is 8 and 5 take away 1 is 4. So it would be 485. Got it? Correct option is 485. The correct option is 485. The next one is 2.90 take away 1.30. So that is a decimal number. That is, you can subtract a decimal number same way you're subtracting the normal numbers. But one thing here is you have to arrange the number. The floating point, the decimal point would be one above another. Got it? Can you guys please stop talking? 2.90 minus 1.30. You can see here you have decimal point would be one above another. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. It would be 1.60. Got it? That would be 1.60. Okay, the next one is 569 minus 369. So which is the correct option? It would be 200. 9 minus 9 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 5 minus 3 is 2. It would be 200. Got it? Okay, which is the correct option? 6.81 minus 3.32. So which is the correct option? Just subtract and let me know the answer. It would be 3.49. When you subtract, the answer would be 3.49. Okay, which is the correct option? Eight take away 7 is 1 and 4 take away 2 is 2. It would be 21. Got it? The correct option is 21. Okay, subtract. So which is the correct option? So the correct option is 135. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That would be add many amounts word problems. So you're going to add them, but you have now the word problems. Let's just start with the first one. William has a part-time job at the local ice cream shop. In June, he earned 393, and in July, he earned 356. How many money did William earn in June and July combined? So you have to add the numbers. You have to collect the total amount. Got it? So you have to add 393 and 356. So you have to add like starting from the rightmost number, it would be 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 would be 9. Then you have to do 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 makes 14, write 4 and carry 1. And then the last one would be 3 and 3, 6 and 1, 7. That means in June and July, total money he earned is 749. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Last week, Avery spent $149 at the grocery store on Monday. Then she spent another $111 on Friday. How much did Avery spend at the grocery store last week? So you have to calculate the total amount. You just have to add them. So 149 plus 101 is, you have to add them. So when you add them, it makes 149 plus 111. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 carry 4, 5 and 6 and 2. So it would be 260. Got it? When you add them, it makes 260. Okay, the next one is Kate opened an account at a local bank and put $9.49 in the account. Later, she put $3.38 more into the account. How much money did she put into the account in all? So you have to add 9.49 and 3.38. Got it? Let's just add them. You have to arrange the decimal numbers like decimal point would be one above another. Got it? 9.49 and you have to add 3.38. Here you have 38. Let's just add them. 9 and 8 is 17. You have to write down 7 here, carry 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 plus 6, 12. So it would be 12.87. Got it? It is the second one. Okay, a restaurant owner bought a new oven for $799. He also bought a fancy grill for $816. How much did owner pay in all? You have to calculate the total money, just add them. Got it? So which is the correct option when you add them? It would be option number 1,615. Got it? Okay, the next one would be Mary bought a rug and a coffee table for the living room. The rug cost $176 and the coffee table cost $386. How much money did Mary spend in all? So you have to add total both the money amounts. So which is the correct option? It would be the first one, 562. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lessons by yourself later today. So we were on grade 3 maths. We've started with the chapter time. The lessons we have covered today are time pattern, read a calendar, AM or PM. Then we have started the chapter money. The lessons are add and subtract money amounts and add money amounts word problems. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.